beginner's guide to the Lua programming language. If you're curious about coding, Lua is a beginner-friendly option that can help you get acquainted with how to code. In this video, we'll outline what makes Lua an ideal programming language, how to install it on your device, and how to use it. Before we begin, be sure to subscribe to NinjaOne's IT Video Hub and our YouTube channel for more tech content like this. The benefits of programming with Lua. There are 5 main benefits Lua offers. First, Lua is lightweight and efficient by design. Its memory footprint is small, thus making for fast execution. Second, it's easy to learn, owing to its minimalistic user interface and straightforward syntax. Third, Lua can be seamlessly integrated to other programming languages, making it a powerful tool for modifying existing applications. Fourth, it supports procedural, object-oriented, and functional programming. Regardless of what type of coding you are picking up, you can use Lua. Lastly, Lua has an active community that regularly posts various libraries, tools, and documentation. Even beginner coders have lots of resources at their disposal. How to use Lua. How to install Lua. Lua can be downloaded on Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. To install Lua on Windows, you'll first need to download Lua binaries from the official Lua website. Extract the files to your chosen directory. Then add the Lua directory to your system's path environment. The next step is to open command prompt and type Lua ##v to verify if the installation was successful, making sure to replace the hashes with the Lua version you downloaded. On Mac OS and Linux, you will install Lua through the Terminal app. For Mac devices, you'll need to have Homebrew downloaded beforehand. Then use the brew install Lua command to install Lua. On Linux, install Lua by opening the package manager via terminal. Then, enter this command. How to code with Lua. Lua's basic syntax is relatively straightforward. Our blog post outlines examples of variables, operators, expressions, and control structures on Lua, so be sure to check it out. What makes Lua different from other programming languages, however, is its use of tables. Lua uses tables as the main way to structure data. With enough practice, you will be able to use tables as arrays, dictionaries, or objects. Lua also has its own protected call-pcall function, which is helpful for resolving issues due to syntax, runtime, or logic errors. Coding is an extremely useful skill in today's digital economy, and languages like Lua help make coding accessible even for beginners. For more information, read our official blog post on the basics of Lua, linked in the description below.